What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going through a full target hit GBP JPY sell that I took obviously for me and the team. So let's hop straight into this. So let's hop to the 4 hour to start. So as you guys can see, we are actually in a bullish channel, as you can see. So we are bouncing off the sides here. As you can see, the pattern coming through. Let's go back here slightly. Let's have a little look. As you can see here. So as you can see, most obviously, well, in the past, we get that rejection off the top area over here, as you can see. And then we come down, guys, as you can see there. Then we get, it's easier for me to just do this. As you can see, we come down, we come up, we come down, we come up, we come down, we come up. And we're just bouncing in between this zone, as you can see. So this is the kind of structure that GBP JPY was following. And as you can see, as we get to these highs over here, we tend to obviously bounce off this area. As we can see here, let me circle this so you guys can see. We get the rejection off this area. And as you can see, get the seller's momentum down. So this was my ideology for the trade. So now let's hop to the 1 hour. So as you can see here, we were just accumulating around this area. And this was my final confirmation that we should be getting into this trade, as you can see. So we come up over here. We've got the rejection off the trend line. As you can see, I've seen this come down now to these levels over here. We've come up again, rejected this level and come down. So when the markets come up to this level, I have obviously seen that we are getting some nice rejection off this level. So I was looking for, if we get the rejection off this trend line again, break this level of 199,666, I'm going to be looking for sells to around these levels over here. Now, why are these levels here? As you can see, 198237 to 198 flat areas, as you can see, is quite a big rejection point. As you can see, we get those big reactions off these levels, and of course I didn't want to potentially get the rejection off this level, and then obviously we don't miss out, we miss out on obviously profit we could have made. So I wanted to just maximize my wins on this trade for as you can see. So as you can see, the market's come up, the market has come down underneath this area, broke, closed underneath. This was my entry point here, and as you can see, plain sailing. We actually got very, very lucky. Market opened really, really low. I got the team out around 92 pips profit. As you guys can see, around here, as you can see, obviously taking off the spreads and that sort of thing from market open, but a really, really, really nice partial taken, which then the trade was running risk-free. So we've let that trade run. We got near the break-even point, but didn't get taken out. And as you can see, plain sailing, got that big momentum down to the final target there of around the 138 pip level, as you can see here. So let me go to the replay tool so you guys can see like exactly why I was seeing what I was seeing. So as you can see here, this is kind of what I would have been looking at. As you can see here, we're just accumulating around this level, but staying within this structure. So as I clarified before, guys, I was waiting for the market to come up to this trend line over here, get the rejection, get the break and close back below the 199,666 level, just as an extra confirmation, with the stop loss level being literally the break of the trend line. If we break the trend line up here, I was going to be looking for obviously to get out of this trade if we obviously break this level, but because that's obviously breaking structure at that point. But we didn't. As you can see, let me play this out a little bit. As you can see, the market starts to come up. We get the really nice rejection off this level here. As you can see, the wick, we're just accumulating around this trend line. As you can see, if I let this play out a little bit more, you can see my entry. As you can see, we got the break and close. Let me zoom in a little bit. My entry was around this level here. As you can see, let me just grab my charger real quick. Don't want to get this, my laptop to die whilst we're doing this. So, as you see, we got the break and close around this level here. And then we got the plain sailing move. Obviously, the weekend overnight open, which was fantastic. Got the team out literally straight away. with some partials taken and then the rest running completely risk-free. Obviously, the gap filled in, and now we're just accumulating, as you can see, slowly making our way down to final target until we got this really, really nice impulse move, as you can see, down to these levels here to hit the final target there of around 138 pips. And obviously, this is now moving to present time. And talking about present time, as you can see, because we're in the bullish channel, we could be actually seeing another trade setup form. So another freebie for you guys. So you guys that are watching this video are getting another freebie here of a potential trade idea for the future. So let's see. Obviously, how this could turn into another trade idea. So let's hop to the 4 hour quick. As you can see, we are bouncing within this level, right? And what do we tend to see, guys? Let me just grab my path tool. We hit these lower trend lines. What do? We come up. We hit this lower trend line. What do? Go up. What have we done again? And again. And again, as you can see. So this has happened so many times. So what I'll be looking at, because now we've taken the sells, is if we potentially come down to this level, hit this trend line, I'm going to be looking for rejections to potentially take this to the upside. Why? Because as you can see here, when we come down to this level, we tend to get the rejection and then the buyer's momentum. And we are in a bullish channel as well. So that really, really supports the trend is your friend statement. So waiting for the market to come down to this level, we get the rejection of the trend line. We could see the market come to the upside. And the stop loss would literally just be if we get the break of this trend line, break and close below this area. I'm signaling a, obviously, structure break, then I'd be out of the trade. But this is another trade idea for the future, which could be really, really nice, and an extra freebie for you guys that made it this far in the video. So congratulations to you. But yeah, absolutely beautiful trade setup for the sales, 138 pips bank for the team. Profit will be somewhere around the screen. If you guys are struggling to find a strategy, a proven strategy that works around your lifestyle and everything like that, I mean, my analysis literally takes me 1 hour a day. I get on with the rest of my day, and then I let the alerts let me know on my phone when the areas of interest are obviously close to being triggered, to when obviously that I triggered my trades in place. But for you guys that are looking for that strategy, a simple proven strategy, I have a 3-step breakdown of exactly how I trade and how you can as well. I'll put that video somewhere around here as well so you guys can watch that. But again, an absolutely fantastic trade from there. Look forward to the next trade to the futures, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Follow me over on my IG, that's in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.